Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is Miss Ng. I'm one of the children's librarians at the Shaler North Hills Library. Today we're going to do a little mighty math like we did last Tuesday. I'm very excited to be here. Things change all the time, they really do, but there are some things about which you can always be certain. And that is that I will always be freezing when I'm in the library. Always be freezing. And so that's why I have many, many layers on. I hope you're nice and toasty warm in your homes. And I feel toasty because I'm here with you, so it's okay. So, we are talking about math, and that means we must involve the numbers. And that is why right now I would like to ask you, friends, my siblings in math, would you please put up one hand? Would you please put up two hands? Would you please put up three hands? Nice. Now, let's just do two hands. Yeah. Wiggle your fingers, close them up. Tell me, I want to hear you say it, how many fingers am I wiggling right now? That's right, 0. No fingers. 0, 0, 0. That's the number. But now let's count up to 10. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was lovely, 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 lovely. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So good, so good. This week I think it's going to be a lot more successful because we did get some comments about different things we could do, like moving around, showing you the board, have a little thicker marker to use. Somebody did suggest that I get finger length extensions because my fingers are so short. Unfortunately,
They are.
They're really out of stock of finger extensions, so I was not able to do that. But who knows what will happen next week. Now, my friends, we have our aunts right here. Aunts, not uncles, right? Let's see what is behind this first one. What do you think? Let's see. It'll help us figure out what's behind the next one. What is that? It's 1. It is. See it? There it is. What do you think's behind this one? Maybe we can get a pattern here going. There's 2. There's 2. There's 2. 2 ants. The number 2, right? Okay. All right, let's see. Let's see. What do you think? There's number 3. There it is. There it is. Let's do something a little tricky. All right? Let's take this one off. What's that? 5. Let's try to figure out what he's standing in front of. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You think it's 7? You think it's 9? Do you think it might be this one? Think it might be 4? Let's see. It is! It's number 4! 4! Okay, so, all right. Going down to the second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so this has to be 6, right? 6. What's next? 7. What do you think's next? Let me hear it. I think it is 2. I think it is 8. Okay, come on. Let me hear the next one. 9. And what's the last one here? Maybe 10. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woohoo! You know what that makes me want to do? Makes me want to move my fingers. Makes me want to be a little wacky. But I have to find my eraser. Here it is. Oh, another thing about which we can always be certain. I'm very messy. All right? we're going to sing about all of these numbers, not all of them. But we're going to focus on these friends right here. Check it out. Say them with me. 2, 4. What's that? Right? That's 6. You're right. That's 8. And what's that one? 10. So you know what we have to do. You can have a seat or you can stand up. Whatever you want to do. We need to get those fingers ready, my friends. Put your hands behind your back. And I ask you to please. Take one from the left. Take one from the right. We're going to meet in the middle. Going to dance all night. La 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 waka waka la 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 la. We made up a dance called the whoop-de-doo. Whoop-de-doo, whoop-de-doo, whoop-de-doo-doo-doo. Then we waved goodbye, bye-bye, and we walked away, bye-bye. And there are 2, bum, bum, ba, ba. 2 from your left, and 2 from your right. We meet in the middle when we dance all night. La 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 waka waka la 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 la. We made up a dance called the Snips Galore. Snippy snip, snippy snip, snippy snip, snip, snip. Then we waved goodbye, bye bye, and we walked away, bye bye. And there are 4, bum bum ba ba ba. 3 from your left, woo woo. 3 from your right, woo woo. We're gonna meet in the middle, gonna dance all night. La 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 waka waka la 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 la. We made up a dance called the pick up sticks. Pick them up, pick them up, pick them up, up, up. Then we waved goodbye, bye bye, and we walked away, bye bye. And there are 6, bum ba 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 ba. 4 from your left, 4 from your right. We meet in the middle. We're gonna dance all night. La 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 waka waka la 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 la. We made up a dance called the bend and straight, bend straight, bend straight, bend straight. Then we waved goodbye, bye bye, and we walked away, bye bye. And there were 8, bum ba 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 ba. 5 from your left, 5 from your right. We meet in the middle and we dance all night. La 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 waka waka la 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 la. We made up a dance called the clap, clap, clap and clap again. And there are 10, bum ba 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 ba. Take 6 from your left. I remember, doesn't work. That doesn't work. All right, give yourselves a hand, my friends. I have a story, and I think you're going to enjoy this. Actually, when I was young, was I ever young? I loved this book, and I would check it out at this very library. I have a long, drawn-out story about how I was rejected from getting a library card when I was 4 years old, but we won't get into that right now. Another time, and I'm over it anyway. So this book is called Anansi the Spider, A Tale from the Ashanti People. And it's by Gerald McDermott. And you can see it has an award sticker on here. It won the Caldecott Medal, which won the Honor Book, which is like kind of a runner-up kind of thing. And a lot of times when we see these medals, we think, this is going to be a great book. And a lot of times it's just terrible. Oh. But in this case, it's a really good one. So, Caldecott wins for illustrations. Anansi the Spider, A Tale from the Ashanti. And you see, this is a folk tale. So this actually comes from African mythology. And mythology is kind of a way that people make sense of what happens in the world before they know some things about science or those kinds of things. And this is from a country called Ghana. Anansi, he is spider to the Ashanti people. In Ashantiland, people love this story of Kawaku Anansi. Time was, Anansi had 6 sons. First son was called Sea Trouble. He had the gift of seeing trouble from a long way off. He knew it was coming. The second son was Road Builder. He could build roads. The thirsty son was River Drinker. He could drink a whole river and more. The next son was Game Skinner. He could quickly take off the skin of animals so that they could be eaten. Another son was Stone Thrower. He could throw stones. And the last of sons was Cushion. He was very soft. And all were good sons of Anansi. One time, Anansi went a long way from home. Far from home. Very far from home. Far. And he got lost. Oh! And he fell into trouble. Whoa! Into the water. And at that moment, a fish came by. And Anansi was in the belly of that fish. Well, back home, the son who could see trouble when it was far away, Sea Trouble said, "Father is in danger!" He knew it quickly, and he told those other sons. And so Road Builder's son built a road and said, "Follow me!" And off he went, making a road. They went fast, those 6 brothers, to help their father, Anansi. But where was father now? You know where he is. He's in there, right? The fish has swallowed him. Anansi is inside fish. So River Drinker took a big drink. And drank up the river. No more. Then Game Skinner helped Father Anansi. He split open the fish. Whoa! But then more trouble came right then. A bird. That bird doesn't look very happy. Well, maybe the bird does look happy because the bird, I think he has plans for Anansi. It was Falcon, and he took Anansi up, up, up in the sky. Quick now, Stone Thrower. Whoa, 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 whoa. The stone hit Falcon. Ah, that was rude. And Anansi fell through the sky. Do you remember which brother hasn't had a chance to help out? The last one? The 6th one? Cushion? Now Cushion ran to help his father. Boing. Very soft, Anansi came down. They were a very happy spider family. All home again that night, Kawaku Anansi found a thing in the forest. I think that is. What is this? It's a great globe of light. So it's giving off light. Oh, mysterious and beautiful. I shall give this to my son, said Anansi, to the son who rescued me. But which of the 6 sons deserves the prize? Let's think about it, all right? we had Cushion. Anansi would be squished if it weren't for Cushion, right? And we had River Drinker. You wouldn't even have been able to get out of the fish. Get to the fish if River Drinker wouldn't have drunk up all the water here. But first, remember first? It was Sea Trouble. He was the one who knew that Anansi was in trouble. So without him, I don't know. Oh, but then that's right. After Sea Trouble saw this, next, Road Builder had to build the road so they could get close to him. So he saved his dad. And then, he was in the fish. And so, remember River Drinker? Thirdly, he had to drink up the whole river. And then fourth, a fish out of the river, it's not going to matter if you couldn't pop out Anansi. Game Skinner, out popped Anansi, so he saved him too. Oh, then, remember Falcon? What was up with that? So rude. Picked him up. He would have flown all the way. Can you imagine that? That's like better than Atlanta Braves relief pitching staff right here. Look at that. Woo! Hit the target. So which one? Anansi did not know what to do. Which of the 6 deserves the prize? "Oh, Name, can you help me? Oh, Name," called Ashanti. For Ashanti people, called Anansi. For Ashanti people, Name is the god of all things. Ashanti asked this of Name, "Please, could you hold this beautiful globe of light up there in the sky until I know which son should have it for his own?" See where this is going? And so they tried to decide which son deserved the prize. They tried and they tried, but they could not decide. They argued all night, and Name saw this, and the god of all things, he took that beautiful white light up in the sky so that all the brothers could see it, and all of us too. He keeps it there. It is still there. It will always be there. It will be there tonight. You know what that is? The moon. And that is a mythological folktale. How the Ashanti, one of the ways that they explained the moon, the presence of the moon. Anansi the spider. Let's do some math with this book. What do you say? All right, so why do I have the number, what number is this? What about this book? Was there anything in this book that has to do with the number 8? Did I just write down the wrong number? Did I? No. Wait a minute. What kind of animal is Anansi? A spider. That's right. And how many legs does a spider have? 8. That's right. Now what if I would write this number? If I had a marker. Okay, here we go. This is why I'm always so humbled whenever people say that their child considers me their teacher. I do not have the gifts and skills to be a teacher, but I love doing what I'm doing. All right, so what about this number? What number is that? Do you remember anything in the story that has to relate to the number 6? Remember? Check it out. 6 sons, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, that's right. 6 sons, 8 legs. And that is the tale of Anansi the spider. Give yourselves a hand. Very good. Now, my friends, special guest. She was here last week. She's here today. She's a camel named Alice.
Alice!
There she is. Lisa Blair on our soundstage. Alice the camel had 5 humps. Alice the camel had 5 humps. Alice the camel, she had 5 humps. Go, Alice, go. Alice the camel had 4 humps. Alice the camel, she had 4 humps. Alice the camel, didn't she have 4 humps? Go, Alice, go. Oh, baby, Alice the camel, she had 3 humps. Alice the camel, she had 3 humps. Alice the camel, she had 3 humps. Go, Alice, go. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Alice the camel, she had 2 humps. Alice the camel, she had 2 humps. Alice the camel, she had but 2 humps. Go, Alice, go. 2 humps minus 1 hump equals 1 hump. Alice the camel had 1 hump. Alice the camel had 1 hump. Alice the camel had 1 hump. Go, Alice, go. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Alice the camel had 0 humps. Alice the camel had 0 humps. Alice the camel had 0 humps, but it's okay because now she is a horse. Alice the camel. Alice the horse. Now, look what I have. Look what I have. I have a box. What shape is this? Okay, just check this out right here. That looks like a square, right? Square, okay? I think. Yeah, a square. Okay. So, but here's the thing. It's one of these 3D objects, right? Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4 sides. 5, 6. 6 sides that are squares. You know what that is? This one here. Connor, I bet if you're out there, Lincoln, do you guys know? Yeah, I know you know. A cube. Anyway, inside here, inside the cube, I have some balls, and they have numbers on them. And I feel like Nick Perry, and you're all too young to know who Nick Perry was. And I'm going to pull out a ball, and the first number in your regular lottery drawing is... What is that? Do you see what that is? 2. The next number in your lottery drawing is 1. There it is, a 2 and a 1. The third number in today's lottery drawing is 5. And the fourth number today's lottery drawing. Oh, I can't look. Oh my goodness, I am Nick Perry. Here we go. It is... What's that? 4. 4. Yep. 4. And your fifth and final number in today's lottery is 3. You guys did a good job with that. Very good. Give yourselves a hand. That was wonderful. All right, my friends, I want to thank you so much for coming today. Let's just do a little shape review before we go. Want to? All right. This shape? Decent. No, I mean, decent shape, you know, emotionally and just spiritually and things like that. I'm in decent shape. Physically, gotta work on it. But anyway, how about this shape right here? See this one? First of all, what color is this? You're right, it's green. Ready? Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3. You know what this is? Yes, it's a triangle. Very good. It's a green triangle. Very good. What about this? What color is this? Black. And how many sides? No sides. But the shape is round. It's a circle. You're absolutely right. We'll have to lay that down. What is this? Orange, yes. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this must be a square. Very good, very good, very good. All right, how about this? All right, this is purple, yes. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a rectangle, but wait a minute. I thought you said, wait, how many sides did this have? 1, 2, 3, 4. But this, how many sides did this have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a square. And so this has 4 sides, but you just said this was a rectangle. But they don't look very similar. Do you see? Do you see? Check it out. Check it out. The square has 4 sides, but they are all equal. They're all the same. They're all the same. So that's what makes a square a square. 4 sides that are equal. But the rectangle, while it also has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, it has 2 sides that are equal, that are the same, and it has 2 sides that are equal, that are the same. So that's like a little rectangle. All right. All right, my friends. I'm so thankful that you were able to join me for math. I would invite you to please do this now, if you would. Kiss your beautiful brain. Getting smarter every day. Kiss your loving heart, full of kindness and welcome. And go into the room in which you have a mirror. Look in that mirror. Look at yourself in that mirror and say, hey, good looking. Because you're all good looking. Just the way yins are right now. Thank you so very much. And we will see you live tomorrow at 10:15, if not before.